have original Medicare and a Medicare supplement, it's not unheard of, but it is very rare for you to have a problem. The billing runs very smoothly. You go to the doctor's office, you give them your red, white, and blue Medicare card. You give them your supplemental insurance card. They bill Medicare for their 80%. They bill your insurance company for their 20%. And then if you have a Medicare supplement, let's say Plan G, the most popular plan, if you've not met your annual deductible, they're going to send you the bill for the deductible. This year it's $240. It does go up every year, about $10 to $15 a year. But if you've already met your deductible for the year, you won't pay anything else at the doctor's office for the rest of the year. So now you get a notice from Medicare. It's called your MSN, your Medicare Summary Notice. You get that at the end of every month if you had Medicare services, and if you don't, they send it to you quarterly. But that's so the government can say, hey, your doctor billed us for these procedures. Does this look good? A lot of people panic when they see it because they see how much the doctor charged Medicare and how much Medicare paid, and they're afraid that this is a bill. It's not a bill. It's to help you make sure that the system's working right. So you look at it and you go, yeah, that's fine. If you see a problem there, that's where you can alert Medicare that there's a problem. Now, sometimes you get a bill from the doctor's office and you're like, why did I get a bill? I've met my deductible. I shouldn't be getting a bill. 99% of the time, it's because the doctor's office did it incorrectly. They billed it incorrectly. They have to deal with this nightmare of codes. They had to code exactly what you did, and it has to be a code that Medicare approved. And if they got the code wrong, then Medicare denies it. So most times that you're going to get a call from your doctor's office or a bill, you check to see if you made your deductible. If you've already paid your deductible, then you just say, can you please refile the claim? Because it's probably on the doctor's office's problem. Now, that's when it's original Medicare, government Medicare, and a Medicare supplement, which I said 99% of the time, you're never going to have a problem. Medicare Advantage can be a lot different. Medicare Advantage is private Medicare. And it's very, very different. There's almost 5,000 different plans available in the country this year. There could be a different plan in this county and the county around me, and then the next county. Every county in the whole state could have a different plan, different benefits, different copays. So you can see that the doctor's offices can get it very much mixed up. And that is why it's important that you understand if there's a problem with Medicare Advantage, pull out your policy. Start there. You had a lab. How much should it cost? How much are they billing you? And generally, if you have a problem, you're going to call your insurance company. It's generally not the doctor's office. It's the insurance company's office. But it could be the doctor's office. Let's say you did everything. You called them, you gave proof, you did everything you thought was necessary, and you're still not having success getting someone to listen to you. There is an appeals process that you can appeal these all the way up to actually a federal judge, but most cases it's going to stop once you call your congressman. Nobody likes to hear that. But if you're getting the runaround with Medicare or with Social Security and you have proof that you are in the right, you have written proof, and everybody's just giving you a blow-off, that does happen. You can call your congressional office. They have young staffers, 20-year-old staffers. That's all they do is help constituents with problems with Medicare and Social Security. So as a last resort, if you've tried to go through the regular channels and they won't help you, take your proof to your congressional representative, and I guarantee you they will be responsive because retirees vote. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.